Welcome to TimeLock Documentation Report Pro, the easiest way to securely document repairs and change orders, create estimates, RFIs, RFQs, and invoices, along with virtually any other kind of document. If you haven't set up your teams, or your team members haven't downloaded the app, be sure to watch our permission levels and teams video and the Report Pro mobile app video. The first time you use the web dashboard, you'll need to create a project. Click Projects on the left side, then click the Add Edit button. Give your project a name, then tap Add. If you'd like to sync the project with an Autodesk account, click OK at the prompt and log into their system. Once your project folder appears in the list, click to select it. At this point, you'll need to add an inspection location. Click an empty location slot, then click Add Edit and name the location. If you'd like, you can add stakeholder or client emails to the location at this point. Just type them in the lower box, and any documents you create in the project will be emailed out automatically. Be sure to hit Enter between each address. When you're ready, click Add. Now you're ready to fill out an inspection certification for that location. Click the location you just created, then click the next open space in the certification column. Now, click the Add Edit button. Edit the title of the document to fit your current needs. You can easily create RFIs, RFQs, invoices, estimates, change orders, or almost any document type from this screen. Fill in the details and be sure to enter the equipment type. You can use the comment box to add inspection details. Next, toggle the In Progress or Completed switches to record the status of the work. Then select the document type from the Page Type dropdown. There are 4 options: Comment for documenting a repair, Change Order for creating a change order in the field, Work Estimate for creating an estimate, and Invoice for on-site billing. One important note: if you fill in the details with one document type selected, then change to a different document type, you'll lose the information entered into the first document. Only record one document type for each certification. So fill out the document type and save. Once inspections have been modified in the field using the app, you can see photos and signatures in the dashboard. Just click the links at the bottom of the page. You can even view the full emailed certifications in the Emailed Certs column on the right side of the dashboard. These documents open in a separate tab for easy viewing and downloading. All items, from project folders to certifications, can be locked to prevent editing or hidden from app users. Simply select the item you want to lock or hide and click the appropriate button. You'll be able to see which items are locked or hidden using the icons that appear next to their names in the dashboard. And TimeLock Documentation syncs data instantly across web, iOS, and Android platforms. And you can easily download everything right from your dashboard. With the TimeLock Documentation dashboard and our Report Pro application, you can create professional, secure visual reports in minutes from anywhere. To learn more about our system, visit timelockdocs.com today.